Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Street. And in today's video, what I thought was that before we can continue further with problem solving sessions, we should know a bit more about scope and visibility of the variables which are being used in case of programming. तो स्कोप या फिर विजिबिलिटी से हमारा क्या मतलब होता है कि जब हम कोई प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं तो उसमें जितने भी वेरिएबल्स हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो उनकी स्कोप या फिर उनकी लिमिटेशंस क्या होती हैं और उनकी विजिबिलिटी क्या होती है, इनके बारे में हमको हमारा समझना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है, बिकॉज उससे ही हमारी यूजेज ऑफ एनी वेरिएबल इनसाइड अ प्रोग्राम डिपेंड करती है या फिर कंस्ट्रेंट्स जो होते हैं उससे वेरी कर जाते हैं। तो उनको अगर हम समझ गए तो हमारा ये जो प्रोसेस है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग का, इट विल मेक मच मोर सेंस एंड इट विल बिकम मच मोर सिंपलर। तो वो समझना काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है। तो आज के वीडियो में हम वही समझेंगे कि स्कोप और विजिबिलिटी से हमारा क्या मतलब होता है, हाउ डज इट वेरी, and it is actually a very very small topic and very simple topic. So I think that today's video will be a bit shorter one, and before that let me first tell you that please do subscribe to the channel, because that kind of helps the video to reach out to a lot more people, and because that is how the YouTube algorithm is supposed to work. And अगर वीडियो में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, प्लीज़ टू मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, बिकॉज इट मेक्स मी अंडरस्टैंड लाइक हाउ एम आई कम्युनिकेटिंग टू माई व्यूअर्स। एंड अगर वीडियो सही लग रही है कि if the way of teaching is good and it is helping you guys out, then please do like it as well, and do share it with your people, like groups and whatever you have. But before we start today's video, let us try and understand more about Newton School, जिनके साथ ही वीडियो कोलैबोरेशन में बनी हुई हैं. So Newton School is an edtech platform which guarantees you 100% placement, because they are working in tie-up with some of the amazing companies out there, and they work on 0 rupees till placement fee structure. इसका मतलब हुआ कि you will be liable to pay 0 rupees to Newton School unless and until you get placed with a minimum package of 5 lakhs per annum. After you are getting placed, you will be paying the entire amount of fees to them. ठीक है, ये है उनकी फी स्ट्रक्चर फी स्ट्रक्चर की जो फी प्लेसमेंट की जो फी स्ट्रक्चर है वो ऐसे काम करती है. And Newton School is also offering a number of really great courses which are targeted for a variety of audience. People who want to learn full stack development, there are courses which are designed specially curated for women, courses which are designed for experienced professionals who are looking for job switch, or entirely looking forward to learn an entirely new tech stack. तो उनके लिए भी कोर्सेज हैं यहाँ पे. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज दैट अपॉन कोर्स completion you will be getting placed and a course completion certificate as well. In the recent times, Newton School has also started the Launchpad program, under which they are giving away free courses. So if you are trying to learn anything new, be it a completely new programming language or a completely new tech stack like Node.js, React.js, तो उसमें अगर आपको सीखना है कुछ भी, या फिर ऊप से लेके जाओ तक कुछ भी आपको यदि सीखना है, एंड कम्प्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, सो दे आर बीइंग टॉट बाय सम ऑफ द बेस्ट people around, and you can learn it completely for free. All you have to do is just go onto their platform. You have to explore the free courses, enroll yourself into one of them, and you are all set to go. And in the meanwhile, if you have to like do any coding related stuff, तो न्यूटन स्कूल की खुद की प्लेग्राउंड है. तो प्लेग्राउंड में आप जाइए और अपना खुद का एल्गोरिदम प्लेग्राउंड बना के एडिटर ओपन करके खुद आप कोड आउट कर सकते हो, जस्ट लाइक वी हैव डन इन द पास्ट वीडियोस, एंड टुडे आल्सो वी विल बी डूइंग इट. So that is it about Newton School. I hope you understood it completely. Now coming back to today's video, what we will be discussing today is scope and visibility of variables and how does it affect problem solving. So scope and visibility of variables. ठीक है, तो स्कोप एंड विजिबिलिटी ऑफ वेरिएबल्स में क्या हो रहा है कि there are basically two kind of visibility या फिर scope हम जिसको कह सकते हैं. There are basically two kinds. One is known as local scope and the second is known as global scope. Okay, So global scope and local scope are two things which a variable has to face. Now let me show you with the help of an example like what is global scope and what is local scope. Like try to understand the meaning of these two things in a very simple way. Like just try to understand them literally and you will understand what the concept is. So what is actually global scope and what is actually local scope? Okay. So global scope means क्या होता है? Global means like on a broader spectrum. समझ में आ रही है बात? Global scope मतलब सबके लिए. Global scope means for everyone. And local scope means on a smaller scale for a limited number of people. ठीक है? For a limited number of people. So on a global scale, for example, if I say that I live in India, okay, I live in India. So that is something which I am telling that on a global scale, among all these countries, I am living in a country named India. That is to specify my location globally. And locally अगर मुझे बताना है in India, where do I live? Then I can go on further describing my address and my state as well. Okay, that is like defining locally. That is called local and global scope. So if you understood the idea, then you can understand what is global and local scope. Now I will tell you what exactly it is actually about. So with the help of an example, if you try to understand, if we say that int x equals to 10, okay, int x equals to 10, then int main, I've started, int main हुआ, int main में अंदर हम जाके क्या करेंगे, x equals to 10 उधर हो गई ना, int main and then I write int x equals to 5, cout x, great, press close. So what will be the output? What will be the output? The output in this case will be 5. Understood? Now you will be asking why will it be 5 and not 10? That is because see, this is a global variable. This is a global variable. There are certain observations that we are making after this program that I will be telling you. This is a global variable. This is a local variable. Now you will be asking me, भैया आप कैसे categorize कैसे कर दिए इन दोनों को कि ये global है और यही local है? उल्टा भी तो सकता है. See, try to understand this very carefully. A variable which is used inside a certain function, a variable which is used or limited inside a certain function is called a local variable. Why is it called a local variable? Because it is only, or because it can only be used or it can only be manipulated within that function and not outside it. ठीक है? However, a variable which is not declared inside any particular function, but it is actually declared before any function has been declared या फिर maintained, तब उसको हम कहते हैं global variable. नहीं समझ में आई बात? देखो, here int x equals to 10 equals to global variable because it is not inside any function. ठीक है? So it can actually be accessed by the entire program. Cool. However, this x equals to 5 has been declared inside the main function. So whatever happens to this x equals to 5 can only be accessed inside this main function. Okay. If this x equals to 5 was not there, then the output would have been 10 in my case. Understood? Q? Because initially my value of x is 10. When I enter the main condition, as I had told you in one of my videos, that always the program begins with the main function. When I enter the main function, I find out that initially my value of x was 10, but now it has been replaced with a new value of x, which is x equals to 5. So finally my value of x is 5. If I did not have this int x equals to 5, my value would have been 10 as the output. Understood? तो ये हो रही है इसकी बात. And now let us go to the playground to understand this, that whether it is actually happening or not. Then it will be much more simpler for you guys. So let us give the title as scope, and we are trying to implement it. So scope implementation. Another observation which I forgot to like express it, like try to understand this. See this. Variables can have the same name if they are having different scope. Understood? See, observation. It is very, very important. Remember this. Variable can have the same name if they share different scope. आ रही है बात समझ में? Clear enough? So if they share different scope, variables can have the same name. Understood? So it is what it is, and now let us go to the algorithm playground section to understand a bit more about it. So we will be coding in C++. Let us try to find out. Using namespace std and x equals to 10 int main int x equals to 5 cout x equals to endl cout x then endl, then what will be my output in this case? So in this case my output should be 5 as we discussed it. Okay, so why is it coming 5? Because x is my local variable in this case. Let me label it so you guys can understand. A local variable, terrible spelling mistake, and global variable. तो global variable and local variable हो गई हमारी. But what if x equals to 5 was not there? Then what would have been my output? See, my output in this case is 5. What if x equals to 5 was not there? Fine. Now let us see. The output would have been 10. दिख रही है? That is the difference which a local variable makes. Nothing more, nothing less. तो चलो ये तो हो गई हमारी. अब let us try to understand it on an extended basis. What if I want to print both my global and local variable as the output? What if I want to use x as the local variable, as the global variable, and I want to print the output as x equals to 5 as well as x equals to 10? दोनों यदि print करने की तो कैसे करेंगे? Let us try to understand that. It is really very interesting. Okay, तो int x equals to 10. Sorry. int x equals to 10. Okay, तो x equals to 10 हो गई हमारी int x की वैल्यू. int main, and after that int x equals 5, cout x, or rather I would change the value. X equals to 5 कर दो, x equals 10 कर दो, cout x, and then after that let me use for int I equals 1, I less than equals 5, I plus plus. I am also printing a third variety of value. तो यहाँ पे cout x एंडल कर दिया हमने, ठीक है. फिर हम यहाँ पे cout x कर देते हैं, सॉरी एंडल, ठीक है. And then cout, this is actually very important. What is this actually? ये मैं अभी बताऊंगा तुम्हें. Yeah, so that is it. Probably that is it. Yeah, let me see if it works or not. Yes, so देखो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ. अब try to understand this very very carefully. देखो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, हमारी आउटपुट जो है यहाँ पे ये आई 10 ऐसे बहुत बार 10 आई और फिर 5 आई ना. व्हाई इज इट सो? नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू decode it. So we have got 8 times 10 and then 1 time 5. Okay, now why is this output in such a manner? See, this is my global variable. Fine, this is my local variable. Okay, and this is my loop output. All right, and this is my loc this is my local output. Fine, and this is again my global output. All right, now try to understand the output very carefully. See, सबसे पहली आउटपुट जो है ये 10, सबसे पहला जो 10 हमें मिल रहा है, that is because of this line, that is local output. This line number 8, see int x equals to 10 जब locally हो गई, when this int x equals when int x became 10 locally, then I printed this as cout x equals cout x and endl. तो ये first 10 जो है, it is because of this line number 8. Okay, after that I enter a loop. And you see that this loop is running 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of times, right? So after that I will print 10. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of times. तो उसके बाद हमने cout x किया, जिसकी वजह से 6 number of times 10 print हो गया, right? Then I come out of the loop. In line number 13 I again print this local output as cout x, right? तो यहाँ पे now this gets printed as 10 once again because it is again the local variable, right? तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा local variable यहाँ पे. And after that cout colon x endl. This is how you are supposed to print global output. Like if you want to use the same variable name, however you want to use the same variable name and get both the local and the global output as the result, then colon x use करके या फिर colon the variable name use करके you will get the global output. And then the global output यहाँ पे क्या है, line number 4 में देखो x equals to 5 है, so 5 is your last output. आ रही है बात समझ में? Pretty clear क्यों हमारा ये ऐसा आउटपुट आ रहा है. तो अब इसमें कुछ मैनिपुलेशंस करते हैं और समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे इसको फॉर int 1 से लेके 6 तक तो चला है, दैट इज ओके, बट व्हाट इफ अगर हम यहाँ पे इसकी वैल्यू चेंज कर देते हैं, लाइक लोकल है ना, तो int x इक्वल्स टू 1 कर दिया अगर हमने, तो अगर हमने इसकी वैल्यू int x equals to 1 कर दी, तो will it run? I don't think it would run. Yes. See, अब इसमें क्या हो गई एरर, int x equals to 1 हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? See, what I told you that variables can have the same name if they are sharing different scope. In the previous instance, x global variable में 5 वैल्यू लेके था, local variable में 10 वैल्यू लेके था. Clear enough? Now what is happening is I am doing the same thing, but in the local variable में क्या हो रहा है, local scope में x की वैल्यू यहाँ 10 हो रही है and again x is getting changed to 1. So a variable cannot be used as two different variables. Like two different variables cannot have the same name if they are being used within the same scope. समझ में आई बात मेरी? So that is why ये देखो यहाँ पे error भी वही दिखा है, redeclaration of int x, which is not possible within the same scope. Okay, so that is it for this entire topic as well, कि हम कैसे कहाँ किस चीज़ को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. This cannot be redeclared once again, तो इसको ऐसे ही रहने दो. And we are done. Yeah, we are done for this. आउटपुट क्यों आया, कैसे आया, what is the entire concept of global and local scope, visibility of the variables, I think that is pretty much clear to everyone. and that is also one of the very important concepts that is needed as we proceed with programming ahead. And yeah, so we are done for this video here, and iske baad let us meet in the next video where we will be continuing with the problem solving and analysis session, and pretty soon we will be starting with DSA as well. So that is it for this video. So before we meet in the next one, don't stop discovering and don't stop coding as well. Bye bye.